Hey guys, how you doing? Yes, my name is Kathu and welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Kathu. So in our last lesson, when we were talking about prime numbers, I left you with one question for practice. Did you try answering the question? If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you're all on the same page. So what was the question? All prime numbers less than 10 are arranged in descending order to form a number. Write down the number formed. That was the question, okay? Okay, and so for the first part of the question, we need to remember what we said about prime numbers. What did we say? We said that a prime number, we said, is a number that's only divisible by 1 and itself, okay? And we also established that the prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, and 7, okay? Those are the prime numbers that are less than 10. Okay, but remember that we have been told that these prime numbers are arranged in descending order. Descending order just means from the largest to the smallest. So that means that the number formed in descending order will be 7, 5, 3, 2. And don't forget to put the commas, 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay? And that will be the answer to the first part of the question. The second part B, asks, state the total value of the second digit in the number formed in A above. Okay? So here we talked about the total value. We talked about the total value of whole numbers some time back. If you don't remember what we said, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Okay? So, what did we say? We said that the total value of a number is derived by multiplying the digit and the place value. Okay? So what is the total value of the second digit in this number? The second digit in this number here is 5, okay? This is the second digit. So what is the total value of 5? The total value of 5 is 5, the digit, times the place value. The place value of 5 is ones, tens, hundreds, okay? So the total value of 5 in this number will be 5, the digit, times 100. So that means that the actual total value of the second digit of this number is 500. Are we together? And that will be the answer. So the total value of the second digit in the number formed is 500. That was quite easy, right? Quite easily done. Okay? So today I want us to talk about composite numbers. Okay? Today I want us to go through composite numbers. What are composite numbers? A composite number. What is a composite number? That's a mouthful, right? What does it even mean? A composite number is the exact opposite of a prime number. We covered the topic on prime numbers in our last video, and we said that a prime number is a number that's only divisible by 1 and itself. Okay? A prime number, we said, has only two factors. Okay? But a composite number is a number that can be divided exactly by more than two factors. Okay? So a composite number has more than two factors. Okay? Okay, so let's look at some examples of composite numbers from 1 to 30, just like we did for prime numbers for the sake of understanding. Okay? So, is 1 a composite number? Is it? No. The number 1 has only one divisor. 1 can be divided by one number only, which is 1. So that means that 1 can't be a composite number because a composite number must have more than two factors, okay? And we said neither can it be a prime number because a prime number must have at least two factors, okay? A prime number, you said, is a number that's divisible by 1 and itself. So the number 1 is neither a prime number nor is it a composite number, okay? Because it has only one factor, so it is not a composite number. Okay? So is the number 2 a composite number? The number 2 has only two factors. It's only divisible by 1 and itself, okay? And for a number to qualify to be a composite number, it has to have more than two factors. So that means that 2 is not a composite number. 2 is a prime number. Are we together? Yes. I'm seeing that we went through numbers from 1 to 30 in our last lesson when we were talking about prime numbers. I'll not go into much detail today because we've established that composite numbers are the opposite of prime numbers, okay? And in our last lesson, I explained why each number is or is not a prime number. So here we'll quickly go through the numbers and see if they are composite or not, okay? 3 is not a composite number, so that means it's a prime number, okay? 4 is a composite number. 5 is a prime number. 6 is a composite number. 7 is a prime number. 8 is a composite number. 9 is a composite number. 10 is a composite number. 11 is a prime number. 12 is a composite number. Moving on swiftly. 13 is a prime number. 14 is a composite. 15 composite. 16 composite. 17 prime. 18 composite. 19 prime. 20 composite. 21 composite. 22 composite. 23 prime. 24 composite. 25 composite. 26 composite. 27 composite. 28 composite. 29 prime, and 30 is a composite number, okay? So that means that we can conclude that every number that is not a prime number is a composite number. And we've established that the composite numbers that we have from 1 to 30 are, let's list them down, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26. 27, 28, and 30. Okay? So those are the composite numbers that we have from 1 to 30. I believe we've now understood what composite numbers are. So if someone wakes you up from your sleep and asks you what composite numbers are, I believe you can tell them what composite numbers are, right? So I'll leave you with one simple question, very simple question. How many composite numbers do we have between 19 to 31? How many composite numbers do we have between 19 to 31? You see how simple that question is? Math is pretty easy and fun, right? Exactly. Don't forget that practice makes perfect. If you enjoyed the lesson, feel free to like, share, because sharing is caring, and subscribe so that you don't miss any time I upload a new video. Subscribing is free. Yay! See you in 2 weeks' time. Same place, same time. Bye!